Has Google Workspace suddenly stopped delivering your emails? Or maybe you got notifications saying your email quota has been exceeded, and now you're not sure what that even means or what to do about it. Well, Google Workspace has sending and storage limits in place, and when you hit those limits, things can come to sudden stop. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how to fix it and make sure it doesn't happen again. Also, if your problem is not resolved using the solutions in the video, then dial the numbers on the screen for real-time expert assistance. Alright then, let's get started. Start by opening your Google Workspace account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Google Apps icon. It's right next to your profile initial. A list of options will appear. Go ahead and click on Admin to open the Admin console. Inside the Admin console, find and click the Storage option. Here, you'll be able to see whether your storage is full or not. If it is, click on Need More Storage to upgrade your plan. Choose your storage plan that fits your needs and complete the upgrade process. Once that's done, check if your email quota issue has been resolved.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.